I set out this morning on a mission to chase down NS Train 125, having NS AC-44C6M number 4000 at the lead, along with Norfolk and Western Heritage Unit number 8103 trailing behind. All blue on the south end is what I like to call it, as they depart downtown Atlanta heading for Macon. Train 125 is an intermodal autorack train mix out of Kansas City bound for Simpson Yard in Jacksonville. You may remember this train as the old 285. Since I got back in town from Texas, Norfolk Southern made quite a few changes to their train symbols. Same routing, just different IDs. From here, we begin our chase, moving to CP Constitution outside of Atlanta, hearing NS 4000's horn for the first time. It's a nice but funky sounding P5. They were moving pretty slow here. Something had slowed them down before proceeding onto single track. Took the opportunity as they were moving slow to move locations, now up to speed, passing through Ellenwood, Georgia. Locust Grove would be our next stop. This is one of my favorite spots on the south end, with a nice straightaway before passing through town. We would then hear 125 go into the siding at Jenkinsburg to meet one northbound who was already getting close. It was train 733, northbound coal empties from Plant Shear heading to be refilled out west in Wyoming. A BNSF AC-44CWGE is at the lead in Heritage 2 paint. .125 then gets a diverging clear signal indication at CP Bunch behind the 733 to proceed southbound, where our little chase would continue. I decided to call off the chase at CP Sandy here in Flovilla, as I had to get back north pretty soon. We just about covered a little more than half of the south end today. They made some good time too, getting to Macon 4 hours ahead of schedule after they passed us. Moving back north into Locust Grove, we spotted another southbound. It was train 361, a Chattanooga, Tennessee to Macon, Georgia manifest freight train. The horn is what caught my attention, having a P5 on the leader. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . got to Jenkinsburg, where we found out another meet was gonna happen. The 145-car-long 361 was put in the siding as northbound train 124 was hitting CP Bunch. It was a slow but perfect meet. You can see train 124 on the main line slowly coming to a stop as the rest of 361 gets in the siding. It didn't take long for the switch to align back to the main and a signal lit, getting 124 on the move northbound. .124 is another new train, so to speak. They run autoracks out of Jacksonville bound for Princeton, Indiana, replacing the old Train 276. This would do it for me. please hit the like button and post all of your comments down in the comments section below. Follow me on all social media platforms down in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See y'all next time from Jenkinsburg, Georgia, at milepost 193.1 letter H along Norfolk Southern's Atlanta South District.